Adventures. Opo.
Opo.
Siya.
Opo. Opo daw, sabi ni Zia.
Ang laki na niya. Parang I remember last year, parang 6 months old pa lang siya. Ang laki na niya ngayon. So of course, here we are at the Dadventure Preparation Zone. Because of course, if we want to say, pwede mag-Dadventure, kailangan strong and healthy yung skin natin. Diba sabi ni Dr. Suratos, yung skin ng baby, 30% thinner compared to adult skin. And so, madali siyang ma-scratch, madali mapeklat, easy scratch. So you need to make sure that you strengthen the skin, you nourish the skin with our products. So actually dito, makikita natin kung totoo bang gumagana yung Johnson's Baby Milk Plus Rice at Milk Plus Oats in making skin strong and healthy. Pasok tayo.
So, papiliin natin siya.
Oh, what do you like? What do you like?
Milk plus rice or milk plus oats?
Plus rice. Okay. Okay, so bago natin i-apply, meron po tayong tool. Tawag dito yung Healthy Skin Meter. Mga ibang pedia, ginagamit na nila tong tool. Pwede bang makapasa ng isang...
Here?
Skin
meter.
So test natin yung skin ni Marian at ni Zia. Kung how strong is your skin? Confident ba kaya? The strong yung skin? Let's
So, skin meter test to check on the skin's
Wow, so
health.
your skin strength is 57. 57. Ibig sabihin nun, actually moisturize. Eh, syempre, Johnson's Baby, yung product. Pero there's always room for improvement. So, try natin mag-apply ng Johnson's Baby Lotion. Tingnan natin. So, yan. Gusto niyo ba pong mag-apply ng lotion para sa skin?
So, the meter checked and 57 ang moisture level ng skin. Now, we will apply Johnson's Milk Plus Rice Lotion and see the difference. Wow, Zia. Go, put on mama. Zia, wow, smooth. Put on mama. Massage mama. Massage mama. Wow. More? More? More kasi malambot.
So try natin ulit i-test using the Healthy Skin Meter. And tingnan natin kung umakyat yung number na nakikita natin sa meter. Kasi mo rin kaharap para magkas lahat. Oh, ayan, umakyat from 57, 99 na siya.
Wow!
So, nakikita talaga
100%
natin,
protection.
yes, from just one use of Johnson's Milk Plus Oats, kasi meron siyang up to 24-hour moisture lang. And sabi nga nila, it's more fortified with 200% more skin vitamins. So, it really works. So now, ready na tayo mag-Dadventures na next week.
Yeah. So the first step, mommies and daddies, is really to make sure that the skin is protected. Of course, so let's put Johnson's Milk Plus Oats and Milk Plus Rice Lotion. Right, Zia? Apo. Very good. Is Zia ready to play?
Ready na ba tayo?
Oh, opo
Awan,
na.
Mami, pwede na ba mag-Dadventures?
Pwede na ba?
Well, bilang nakita ko kanina, siguro wala na akong dapat alalahanin pa, kaya pwede!
Okay. Okay. So dito naman tayo sa Dadventures Play Zone. So guys, ano yung kayong activity natin dito? Ano yung sa tingin nyo to?
Ooh! Crawling! Fight or some activities
So,
like about that adventures.
diba sabi natin kanina that the Dadventures we do actually contribute to babies' physical, social, cognitive development. Actually, yung mga scientists sinasabi na mayroon such a thing as brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Pero sa totoo lang, babies grow up healthier, happier when they have rough and tumble play with that. So, Dong, ano yung mga rough, sample naman ng mga rough activities niya with Zia?
Well, ang dami, mahilig siya mag-ano eh. Tumak-tumak-tutak ko ngayon. Pero gusto niya yung ano eh, parang nasa tummy ko yung
Nag-horsey-horsey sila.
Gusto niyo po yung sample?
Ha, sample. Okay, so protected ka ang skin ni Zia, and now we got the go signal from Mommy Marian. Pwede mag-Dadventures. Okay, okay. This po is the favorite play of Zia and Daddy Dong. Tigi-dig daw. Wow! Zia, are you ready? Yeah, alright. Ay,
Zia,
sus!
and syempre, Zia grows even wala lang mas magiging malikat pa siya from now. Compared to, 6 months, I remember, parang quiet na ni Zia. Ngayon, nagsasalita na siya.
That's true, pero syempre may peace of mind na si Mommy Marian at si Daddy Dong because syempre Zia's skin is protected by Johnson's. Zia, are you having fun? Wow, very good playtime. Okay, and now we move on to our third and last station for today. Clap! Yay! Ayan, happy talaga si Baby Z.
Zia!
Wow!
Yeah. Okay, so of course, all of the dad ventures are not just all about physical or rough and tumble play. It's also important that there is a strong bonding and strong relationship that's built because it helps children develop to be more sociable with others, helps them learn the limits of what their bodies can do, how they should relate to others. Sabi nga ni Teacher Pearl, you have to engage in these kinds of dad ventures. So dito sa station na to, we're going to show examples of social and cognitive development via, of course, one favorite dad and baby activity, a photo shoot. Siyempre, anak ng dalawang artista, very comfortable with the camera. So of course, kakaiba tong photo shoot dito. So usually still yung photos. Pero in this book, we're going to be doing a unique Flixel cinematograph. Parang live photo siya. Gumagalaw yung photo.
Wow!
And all of the people at this event, pwede din kayong magkaroon ng moving photo cinematograph after the program. So, ready naman tayo mag-picture? Pwede ba mag-adventure dito?
Tanungin natin muli si Zia. Zia, are you ready? Yeah, okay, let's go!
Alright, syempre, every parent would want to capture memories and moments and milestones. Bilang ito rin, I'm sure, ang first camping ni Zia. So we have to remember this day by taking a moving photo. Okay? So everyone will get the chance to try this also later on when we officially open the Dad Ventures camp. Baby and mommy, okay, with a backdrop. Random na lang. Kaya naman yan ni Daddy Dong. Yee! Oh, Zia, blow bubbles!